This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2018 Riviera 4800 Sport Yacht, located currently in Bay Harbor, Michigan. Boat is well optioned. Obviously you see the rails, power swim platform, garage that lifts up. There is a tender included in that garage. This boat is optioned with the cockpit docking station. Got a quick access trash can, storage both port starboard. This table is on a power high-low that you will see in the video or in the photos that are posted online. There's optional ice maker and refrigerator, additional refrigeration, freezer, and dishwasher, obviously microwave and 2-burner cooktop. Interior is in wonderful condition. This table is a high-low as well, which again you'll see in the photos. A lot of nice accent lights through the vessel. Big port and starboard opening windows. Of course, a large sunroof. Full glass cockpit. Joystick controls. Full C-zone controls right here. Flip-up TV. Lower salon entertainment system. Massive head. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm 6 foot and I've got about a foot overhead here. Huge shower. Washer dryer combo unit. And ample storage. And a Ford V-berth master. 4 drawer storage. Hanging locker, entertainment, storage on both sides, and again, absolutely massive head and shower. Lots of nice natural light. Then very large, unique full beam mid-berth. These are on a slider, so they can slide over for either an almost queen berth or 2 standard beds, and then your third sleeper here. And again, entertainment option in this. Large hanging locker, large storage overhead, storage there, opening portholes, big hall windows, very well laid out boat. And then you do have flip-up backrest and a seashell sunshade up for the bow seating. Awesome boat.